Hello everyone, this is Jahid Hassan and today now I am in Lalmai Udbid Uddan. Here I have my friend.
Hello everyone, this is Mahfouz Hassan Imtiaz.
I ask you Imtiaz that we are now in Lalmai Udbid Uddan. So can you please describe this location, where it located?
Surely, this is a portion of Lalmai Hill Tract beside Comilla University. It is located in Salmanpur village, Comilla Shodor Dokkin Upojela in Comilla.
Okay. Here in our Comilla University campus area, we see different type of tourist place. Which type of tourist place we can see here?
You know, there are so many tourist spots, like historical tourist spots. Like this one, this is a garden-like space, and there are so many other things like War Cemetery, Shalbon Bihar, Dharmashagar, etc.
I think nowadays there are some modern tourist sport also occurs here, like Magic Paradise, Water Paradise, and different type of place. I think the peoples who like natural beauty, they came here. They are highly welcome, especially in our Comilla University. This is, I think, one of the most beautiful place in this area. And then you can see Shalbon Bihar. It's an historical place. So bro, if anyone can try to come here, then how much money he have to spend here in Lalmai?
This is so cheap, you know. For a student it is maybe 10 to 20 taka, and for normal people that might be 30 or 40 taka.
Yeah. In our university first year life, we came here with all of our students from our batch. We see that at that time we had to spend 5 taka only, especially for the students, and now we have to spend 20 taka if we are a student. But if we are not general people, then we have to spend 30 taka. Brother, what is the specialty of this place?
Actually, this place is so beautiful to look at. You know, there are so many green leaves, colorful flowers, well decorated, small pond there, cactus plant, so many big plants, and so other thing. And this is so well decorated, so it will easily attract the tourist, I think.
Yeah. Especially if you want a natural place, then I think this is one of the your best choice, and you don't have to pay a lot of money. Also, it's only 20 taka to 30 taka, and I think you can come here with a group, or you can come here individually. You can see here different type of flowers. Especially you can see here this type of flowers is very available, and I think there are different type of flower from the foreign country they preserve here, and different type of cactus flower. And I think overall this is one of the good place for you to spend your free time. So thank you, brother, for your valuable time. Actually, the audience who watch this video, I think you can get some information from this video, or I think you can get some valuable things. So brother, do you have any opinion about our audience? If any, then you can say it.
Okay, I will suggest every tourist or person to visit here. It is so beautiful to look at, and hope you will enjoy the moment.